Hello. I'm Advait, and this is my quick tech demo, work in progress. I don't know, proof of concept for my project Cookies for Peckham Digital. So Cookies, as I've noted in the project description, as well as the little diagrams on my Notion, is made up of 3 different screens. I don't currently have access to 3 different screens as I'm recording this from home. So I'm just going to run it in 2 screens, but know that once it is made for the exhibition, this will be exported as a Unity build and funneled into 3 separate screens, those being this screen number 1, the new simulation, this screen number 2, which is the quiz that tells you what kind of coffee you are, and this screen number 3, which is a sort of credit report, old-timey credit report website. I'm going to go ahead and just launch the project so you can see how it works. And just going to minimize these other tabs so that we get a full focus screen. So this is the first screen. This is the interactive screen, screen 1, which is the new simulation website. To start the project, the exhibit, I can click on accept cookies, and then I'm greeted with this satirical news article, the sort of advertisement that I made, which will change every time a new article is loaded, but currently in this build only contains sort of 1 advertisement. And then all of these sort of links, so the ones that change color when you hover over them. What a person can do once they're done reading this article is click on the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, and so on for as long as they want. And every time they click on a new article, either this or through one of these, although I haven't built that functionality yet, the user profile on the back end will get updated and things will start reflecting in the other 2 screens. So I'm going to just drag display number 2 and display number 3 here to demonstrate. Let me just readjust this. There we go, and I'm going to just reset the entire simulation. And let's start with accept cookies. As you can see, screen number 2 shows that I'm a cortado at the beginning, and screen number 3 shows that my credit score is 418. And these 2 are based on the random user profile that is assigned right at the beginning before you've clicked on any of the stories. Now, as I start clicking through these stories, you'll see that the coffee changes. So does the credit score, and as those change, the reasons given by Zesty Pop, as well as the reasons given by HHM Credit Report also update. Now, these are meant to be super vague, these are meant to be super playful. This is the actual credit score, this is the actual coffee and the images, and all of those will update. Not every time that I click on it will they update, because sometimes multiple clicks are required before your profile changes enough to be assigned a new coffee. But the credit score more or less will update the number, even if slightly, on every single one of them scores. Now, this loads slowly, this loads quicker, but both of those are artificial loading times. It actually loads the very microsecond I click on the website. But to establish a good feedback loop, I've put in some fun artificial loading times. This one is longer to make it seem more janky. There you go. So as you click through these, the credit report and the coffee should update. And you can always reset it, accept cookies, and start all over again. Now, at the moment, I don't have all the images for all the coffees, and I don't have more versions of these sort of advertisements that I've made. These are all made by myself and are not copyright infringing, obviously. But in the final version, I will also have functionality which updates these advertisements, just puts different advertisements with each update of the page, just to make it a little bit more fun. But yeah, there you have it. That's my quick little demonstration for the project. Please do let me know if you have any questions, and I will definitely answer them over email. Yeah, thank you.